G'day everyone, Shane here from Fanmaster Australia. When you're working in a welding bay, spray booth or any fabrication zone, clean air isn't a luxury, it's a must. So what's a better option for your workspace? A fixed fume extractor or a portable one? Let's break it down. Fixed fume extractors are permanently installed units, mounted on walls or ceilings, and often with ducting and fixed hoods. They're perfect for dedicated welding booths, large workshops with permanent layouts, or environments with strict air quality standards, like food production or clean rooms. What are their benefits? They provide powerful, consistent airflow, a cleaner workspace with minimal noise. They integrate with central ducting or filtration, and they're ideal for multi-operator setups. You do need to consider, however, that installation costs more upfront, and once they're in, you'll need to redesign if your layout changes. Portable fume extractors are plug-and-play units with wheels, flexible arms, and built-in filters. These shine in mobile welding jobs, shifting workspaces, on-site repairs, and growing businesses that need flexibility. So why choose portable? There is no installation required, just plug it in and you're ready to go. You can move it anywhere, anytime, providing flexibility in your workspace. They're perfect for job sites or short-term rentals, and finally, they have a lower upfront cost. Keep in mind though, that portable extractors are not designed for heavy-duty, round-the-clock fume extraction, and the filters may need replacing more often, depending on how you use them. So, fixed or portable? It really depends on how you work. If you've got a large fixed layout, go with a fixed system. If you're always on the move, portable's probably the way to go. If you're not sure what to choose, give us a call on 1300 900 345 or head to fanmaster.com.au. We'll help you find the perfect fume extraction setup for your needs. Because clean air isn't optional, it's a responsibility. And remember, at Fanmaster, we're more than fans. We're your partners in safety, compliance, and comfort.